Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manually change exposure settings on your DJI Osmo 360. To change exposure settings, you can first make sure you are on panoramic photo mode, then tap on the settings icon. Here enable Pro mode, where you'll be able to then tap on exposure and change it to your liking, decreasing it or increasing it however much you need. You can also change it here, and then tap on the confirm button. Of course, you will have to turn from auto to the M icon for manual. As you can see, you can just play around with the settings. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.